So hello guys, we are going to start Terraform. In today's video, we are going to have installation of Terraform in Windows machine. For that, just write Terraform install, and on this, click on this HashiCorp official website. Right? You can check here when we install which type of installation do we need. Right? Check for Linux, check for Windows, everything will be available. But you also can download the tar for their required binary packages. So if you click on Windows, you can download this. Okay, I have already downloaded this on my local machine. Download section. Let me show you, and I have copied this to my desktop. See, this would be our Terraform application executable file. Now we need to configure accordingly here, right? So I would recommend to use Visual Studio Code, set up this. So before using Visual Studio Code, we need to set up Terraform here, as we have downloaded Terraform in this location. Let me delete this. Yeah, your required location would be like this only. So I have copied it in my desktop machine on desktop. So let me copy this path. Okay, now click on this PC, click on properties. We are going to install Terraform on a local machine. Click on advanced system settings. You can find this environment variable here. Click on environment variable. You can find this path. Click on this and edit. Now, see, you can find this path. This is the path where I have used copied our binary file. I'm removing this path now. Let me add again that path and paste it here. Now, this is the way you need to install the Terraform in the Windows machine. Okay, okay, okay. Now done. Now you can open any of your command line tool. You just check if the Terraform is installed or not. See, this is Terraform version. See, Terraform 1.5.5 version installed. Also, do one thing, it would be better if you use to work on this Visual Studio Code. So just click on desktop. Inside desktop, we have this Terraform. Let's create a directory here or a folder. So we would be able to do all of our steps in the required location. We will name this Terraform. Only Terraform, or maybe you can write edit anything according to your. I'm writing here projects. Right. Now just copy this. And just copy this part. Or instead of copying this, what you also can do, just open Visual Studio Code. Right. Right. You need to install some of your tools here. So for the tools, click on manage. You can find your required. Let me search here and search for Terraform. Yeah, this is the extension. Click on extension and search for Terraform. Yeah, so you will find a lot of Terraform available here. I have installed this official HashiCorp Terraform this way. Now remove this, this. Now we need to open that folder, so all our location will be there only. So Control plus K or Control plus O is the option to open the folder, or you can open from here also. Right, open folder. then desktop, and this Terraform, insert this TF. Select folder. Yeah. See, TF project is here. Now just click on this new file and any extension. Right, suppose we are running any file main.tf. If write this tf, automatically this logo will change into Terraform logo because we are using .tf file as Terraform executable files. Those files in which our Terraform code will be there, or you can say that our infrastructure code would be there, would be written at .tf state. Means .tf file, as TF indicate is a Terraform file and we need to execute it. So this way. Also, we would be using terminal. Click on this terminal, right? The main.tf file, and we can use click on terminal, new terminal. Yeah. Now just write this Terraform version C. Terraform is running fine. Now we will do all our projects this way. We will be creating all our required steps inside this TF projects only. All the variables, all our EC2, all VPC, security groups, everything. Right? So that's all for this video. We'll continue in the next video.